pollutants are those emitted directly into the atmosphere from their sources, such as sulfur dioxide, some species of nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, particulate matter, and secondary pollutants that form in the air as a result of chemical reaction. We have indoor and outdoor pollutants. Indoor pollutants are pollutants that are present here, coming from furnaces, for walls, from chair, but also from cooking or from eating devices for our houses. And outdoor pollutants coming from industrial, commercial, mobile, urban, regional, agricultural, natural, also natural, not only human pollutants, but also natural pollutants. And then we have gaseous or particulate pollutants. Gaseous or solid. Particulate pollutants may be solid or liquid. Next slide. But what is an adverse health effect of air pollution? How air pollution may act on our body? Next slide. We have an increase of mortality, overall mortality. We have an increase of incidence of cancer. We can have from pollution symptomatic asthmatic attacks if you are asthmatic. We can have an increased incidence of lower respiratory tract infections, such as pneumonia. We can have an increased exacerbation of disease. Imagine that you are a patient with chronic obstructive lung disease. If you have an increase of air pollution.
Királynősen tanárul erre.
Perché io mi sono allontanata perché mi interessava cosa hai parlato le conseguenze, l'asma, io vengo da un punto voluto
Speak English e quindi vi ripeto tutti quanti benvenuto, spero che il vostro soggiorno a Palermo, adesso Translate lo fa lei, spero che il vostro soggiorno a Palermo sia il vostro gradimento.
I hope you will enjoy your stay in Palermo.
Palermo è una città che ha visto passare tante di quelle civiltà tra le quali qualcuno ha le vostre, come sono pure tedeschi, vero?
Palermo has seen in the years in its history lots of different cultures and civilizations. Maybe also there is a group from Germany. We have also Germans here in Palermo from Schweden.
E quindi noi siamo un popolo perfetto perché abbiamo preso il meglio di ciascuna civiltà che ci hanno attraversato.
We are the perfect people because we are a mixture, a melting pot of all the best culture and civilization.
Sto mentendo spudoratamente.
I'm just a liar.
Buona permanenza. Allora, io sono in istituto, sono sempre a vostra disposizione per qualsiasi cosa abbiate bisogno.
So enjoy yourselves when you stay here, and I will hear for you for any problems or anything you might need. Bye bye. Ciao. So now it's time for the break for the students and for us for a coffee. The students will go. No, it's almost the break. After the break, which is 11:30, the break of the school timetable, the students will go with their partners around school and in classes, while the teachers will stay here for a workshop on the clean methodology. Okay, and then we will meet again here for lunch, which is offered by the hostel families. At about, we say 1:15, okay? 1:15, we'll meet here again for lunch. After lunch, we will have just a little work session again for the evaluation of the project. And I don't know if you have any products or anything you want to show. Is there any of you who has prepared anything? Do you want to show your products? Yes or no? Yes, so you have it on files. Is it PowerPoint? Do you want to do it now or in the afternoon session?
In the afternoon.
In the afternoon, we'll do it in the afternoon session. Okay, so children, I'll see you later at 1:15 here. Thank you.
We made a newspaper about the environmental protection and topics. First of all, we used our presentations held in Germany, and here's one of them.
We made an interview in September with the director of the sewage farm in Szombathely about the process of the sewage cleaning. The director told us about the procedure. The sludge which can be found in the sewage is mixed. During the process, current and is produced. They use current in the sewage farm.
Besides methane gas is produced a day, they clean 25,000 meter water in the 10-hectare area during 12 hours. The sewage undergoes the process of chemical, biological and mechanical cleaning. Devices needed for the biological part will be a model in 2010. Then in the water, nitrogen contact is 10 mg per liter. The farm is being developed with the European Union assistance. The clean sewage gets back to stream pellet.
We also collected some jokes about environmental issues. We wrote a quiz and some personal experience in this field. We also included an article about school events such as collecting rubbish and saving energy. We made interviews with students at school about the top 10 topics and advice for the environmental protection. Here's the top 10 topics, and we made a diagram about them in an order of importance. According to the students, the most important thing is to rescue the forests and then the selective waste management. The third thing is the use of natural fossils, and then the energy economy, waste recycling, controlling illegal dump, use of public transport, biofarming and compost lighting.